Abby, do you really want to wait until you're 40 to get a big chop again? Girl, just do it. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about why I decided to cut my hair. Well, let me start. Let me think where it all started. You guys know that I cut my hair almost 4 years ago into a taper cut. It went viral. It was great. It was the best hair decision I ever did. But then again, 4 years later, I'm still rocking my taper cut. And at a moment I thought, something new. I need something new in my life. I need something new because I'm about to release some new music. I'm working on my EP. I am a mom now. My son is 1.5 years old. So many things I've thought about. I said to my husband again, babe, I want to cut my hair. I want to cut my hair off. Because for me it was time to do something new, something fresh. I always want to do something new. It always starts with my hair. It always starts with my hair. So this decision was, I think now I have this cut a little over 2.5 weeks and I love it. I really love this cut. It's really good to handle. It's really different. My hair structure is also different. I'm going to do it the exact same day when I decided to do it, but my husband, it was like, no, Abby, wait, think it over. But for me, the decision I already made in my heart, so I just knew it was a matter of time. And the scissors were, you guys saw it also on my Instagram. I was like, I'm in a dilemma. I want to do something different. I also want to inspire you ladies. Don't be scared to make a change, to do a big chop as I did, because your hair, it will grow back. But it's a journey. It's a journey for us women to feel feminine even when you don't have a lot of hair. So did I regret this cut? I love it. I love how my features come out, how easy it is to maintain my hair. If you ask me if I do it again, I would definitely say yes, because when I did cut my hair into the taper cut, no, I'm gonna wait till I'm 40, in my 40s, and then I will cut my hair again short, blah 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 blah. But then a few weeks and a few months ago, I was thinking like, Abby, do you really want to wait until you're 40 to get a big chop again? Girl, just do it. You live now, so why not now? I just knew that fear is really dangerous, because sometimes you block yourself from things because you are hesitant or you are afraid of what. So I thought, no, I'm just gonna do it. And if it's ugly, it's ugly. If it's good, it's good. But I want to try and do it. So that's really one of the reasons I cut my hair. Will I ever go back to a taper cut? Maybe. I think so. But for now, this style fits my journey, and I'm so happy I did it. And I want to take you guys along on this road with me, because I'm gonna film and record some more videos about how I maintain my hair, but also the journey in like the struggles and yeah, the benefits. So stay tuned, you ladies, and I really love you guys. And the reason I say this is because you guys showed me a lot of support. Even when I did cut my hair, you guys were like, oh my god, Abby, your hair is so great, blah, blah, blah. So for me, that's also a thing. It's not about hair, it's about the person. And sometimes you have to think about, okay, what do I want people to know about me? That my hair looks great? No, I want people to remember me like, oh, Abigail, she was a great person. She experienced a lot of things, and she wasn't afraid to try new things, and she was a really inspiration. That's what I want you guys to remember me like. You only live once, so you better make it a good life. Thank you guys for staying with me into this whole journey, this whole process. So I thank you guys for that. Don't forget to follow me also on Instagram. It's the Abigail Martina, and hope that I can meet you guys one day. That's really one of my desires. I really want to meet you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.